multiplication of matrix. Multiplication. So this video is all about basics of matrix and determinant. So as a quick revision, I will solve a problem of multiplication of matrix. So let 1 minus 6 2 0 minus 1 5 b is equal to 2 2 1. So the basic rule for multiplication is nothing but this is a 2 cross 3 matrix and this is a 3 cross 1 matrix. So the basic rule of multiplication is nothing but the column of a matrix must be equal to the rows of this other matrix. So here we can multiply this. So the multiplication goes like this: 1 into 2 AB. 1 into 2 is 2, minus 6 into 2 is minus 12, 2 into 1 is 2. So 0 into 2 is 0, minus 1 into 2 is minus 2, 5 into 1 is plus 5. So the resultant matrix A into B will be always 2 cross 1 matrix. So the remaining entries which will be there, it's a 2 cross 1 matrix. We will verify that. It will be a 2 cross 1 matrix. AB is equal to 2 minus 12 plus 2 is 8 and this is 3. This is a 2 cross 1 matrix. 2 rows, a single column. So this is about multiplication of the matrix. So in this video we are going to discuss about determinant, minor, cofactor, adjoint of a matrix, inverse matrix, some important case of matrix. So let us discuss about a determinant first. So a matrix A. So determinant of a matrix A is denoted by a symbol like this. So we'll know about determinant by using a problem. So for finding out determinant, it should always be a square matrix. Okay, square matrix. So with the problem we will find out. So the matrix A is given by 5 3 2 1 2 6 3 5 10. We have to find out the determinant of this matrix. So determinant is given by, we'll write it like this: 5 3 2 1 2 6 3 5 10. We'll write as it is. Then we will apply signs like this: plus, minus, plus, alternative, positive and negative signs. So we have to find out determinant like this. First we have to choose this and we have to hide this like this. So then 2 cross 6 into 2 cross 10 into 5 cross 6 multiplied by the element 5. We'll write it: 5 into 2 cross 10. 2 into 10 is 20 minus 6 into 5 is 30. So the next element, this is 3 with the sign minus. So we should neglect first row and second column. We have to multiply. 1 into 10 is 1 into 10 is 10. 6 into 3 is minus 18. So the next element is 2. 2 into, we have to neglect the first row and the third column. 1 into 5. Neglecting the first row and the third column. 1 into 5 is 5. Minus 3 into 2 is 6. So now we have to simplify this. 5 into 20 minus 30 is minus 10. Minus 3 into 10 minus 8 is minus, 10 minus 18 is minus 80, minus 8. 2 into minus 1. This is nothing but minus 50 plus 3 plus minus into minus plus. 3 into 8 is 24 minus 2. So the final answer is minus 28. Fifth minus 50 plus 24 minus 26 minus 26 minus 2 minus 28. So this is how to find out a matrix, a determinant. For simply, if it is 2 cross 2 matrix, A equals 1, 2, 3, 4, then the determinant of this is given by 1, 2, 3, 4. Simply multiply the elements. 1 into 4, 4. 3 into 2, minus 6. 4 minus 2 is the determinant of this matrix. So this is about determinant. So next topic is minor of a matrix. So let A be a matrix containing entries 1, 2, 5, 3, 1, 4, 1, 1, 2. So the minor of any element. So as we all know that A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. This is a square matrix. So the element A11 is 1, A12 is 2, A13 is 5, like this. So minor of the element A23 is question mark. If the question arises like this, minor of the element A23. How to find out this? So which is the element A23? A23 is here. Here which is the element A23? A23 is 4. So how to find out minor of this element is nothing but neglect the row of that element and neglect the column of that element. So by neglecting the row of that element and neglecting the column of that element, we get matrix A is equal to 1, 2, 1, 2 and 1, 1. So find out the determinant of this matrix. You will get minor of the element A23. So 1 into 1 is 1, 2 into 1 is 2, minus 2, minus 1 is the minor of the element. Similarly, cofactor. For cofactor we have a formula minus 1 into I plus j into minor. This is the formula for cofactor. So I plus j is nothing but, here I'll explain you with an example. For the same problem, cofactor of element A23. So I plus j is nothing but, when you are asked to find out the cofactor of the element Aij, then the formula is minus 1 whole to the power of I plus j into minor of that element. Here 2 plus 3. A cofactor of 2 plus 3 is nothing but minus 1 whole to the power of 2 plus 3 into minor a23. So minor a23 we have already calculated the value minus 1 is nothing but minus 1 whole to the power of 5 into minus 1. Minus 1 whole to the power of 5 is minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. This is how to find out the cofactor of the element. So this is about minor and cofactor of the matrix. So minor is denoted by capital letter M. Cofactor is denoted by capital letter F. So minor 2 M23 for the previous problem which we have solved. For cofactor it is F23. This I have forgotten to tell this, so I have added this here.